guys, what's up? I'm here after a long time. Welcome to another video which is going to be all about my upgraded makeup look. Keep watching, guys. Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Charchita. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The last time I showed my makeup routine on my YouTube channel was when I was 19 years old, and literally now I am 23. So a lot of changes here and there in my makeup routine. So I just hope you guys watch my today's video till the end, and also if you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, while doing makeup, the first thing I feel everyone should have is a specific goal. For example, I focus a lot on my eyes and also on my nose. If you notice, my eyes are hooded eyes and I want to make them look enlarged, and also I have a bigger nose. I especially work a lot on both of them in my makeup. That's why in my current makeup routine I have a So right now in my current makeup routine, I have a lot of changes. For example, I do not use foundation, and also, of course, I try to follow all the trends just to make myself look trendy. So I just hope you guys find it relatable. Let me tell you something before I start the video. I wanted to make this video a chit chat kind of video, but I cannot do multitasking, so I just gave up on that idea. I'm gonna start with a primer and then my concealer. Okay, let me finish my cake first. But then I got a story to tell you guys. I was not really happy with that day's makeup look. So yeah, I just decided to shoot the video again, and that's what I did.
Next morning.
Good morning guys, this is the second day and I'm continuing yesterday's video only because I just messed up everything yesterday. You know what I did? I just put on fake eyelashes yesterday, which I really do rarely, but anyway, that's why I am today continuing the same video. And one more thing, my skin was really horribly breaking out in this entire last week, but it's like so much in better condition right now. I'm taking really good care of it. I am doing face wash thrice a day, following proper skincare routine. Okay, first thing, if you're looking for a hydrated makeup look, then please add a really proper hydrated moisturizer in your skincare routine. So I am currently using this one. Okay, non-sponsored guys, and this moisturizer is working really nice on my skin. Oh, if you guys want to check my skincare recommendations for you guys, then you can check this video that I made last month. And this is the rice ceramide from the Face shop. And one more thing, during summer, I totally just try to avoid foundation. First, primer. So this is what I'm gonna do it. Primer done, and then nextly straight to the concealer, and which is from L'Oreal Paris. L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm loving this concealer so far. My shade is 312 Amber, and yeah, it really hides my dark circles, my dark spots really well. As you can see, I have got a lot of acne marks. My skin was really breaking out, but yeah, that's also natural. My skin will of course break out because I'm also a human being, but then we also have concealer, so yeah, let's utilize stuff. And then guys, I just wait for a little while after putting the concealer. Meanwhile, I do my brows. Earlier when I was younger, I just used to do nothing on my brows. Now I feel like my brows should literally look a little brushed up. Like seriously, life is full of mind games, you know, something just hit your mind and you cannot just ignore that. So this one is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. I'm gonna take this shade a little bit and just simply doing with the brown shade. And lastly, this is the brow gel that I am using, which is the Elegant Set It Clear Brow Gel. Okay, so my honest review, this will keep your brows in place only for 4 or 5 hours, not more than that. And meanwhile, my concealer is also set, as you can see. So मैंने लिया मेरा beauty blender and I'm just doing dab, dab, dab. As you can see, the concealer is a really full coverage. It's like the game changer. And now I will do one extra step. I'm spraying my setting spray because I want it to be more hydrated. You guys might judge my this step because I have not seen anyone spraying the makeup spray in between the makeup routine. But I do it because it works for me. Now I will do really minimum contour because I like to do contour nowadays, and this is not a contour actually, this is a HD foundation stick from the MyGlamm. As you can see, the shade is really dark on me, and that's why I bought it as my contour. Okay, so for doing it, I will be using this brush, which is from Crush again, but this is not a contour brush. But So this is truly gonna add some shape to my nose. So yeah, let me know in the comment down below if you see any before and after effects. Oh my god, I had to show you something in the beginning of the video and I forgot. So this is the foundation stick, which is the Ace of Face from Sugar, and which is my like new addition to my makeup routine. This is really cool. As you can see, एक side में इसका है foundation, and in the next side you are getting the blending brush. Ooh, really cute. In fact, I'm not using any other brush today. I'm just blending it with my blending brush, and look at it, it works perfectly. और मेरा shade था, कौन सा था? 35. और अब मैं करूँगी मेरा makeup set with the setting powder, and honestly, this is my current favorite makeup setting powder. As you can see, this is the banana powder from the Sugar, and look at the pigmentation बोलते हैं ना? I actually forgot the exact word for it, but you know how it sets my makeup is totally amazing, guys. और जहाँ पे मेरा sweat होता है, for example my T-zone area and near my lips, I am also like doing little dab thing. And now of course I need blush in my makeup, and this is from Sugar 05 Coral Climax, which is so pigmented. Look at it. You guys might notice while doing my blush I do a little overdo because the blush keeps fading with time. So yeah, and also I'm done with applying my mascara. और कुछ नहीं करने वाली हूँ आज मैं अपने आँखों में, क्योंकि कल मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लिया, as you know guys. So let's do my lips now. और तब जाके मेरा मेकअप दिखेगा complete. So first thing I will do is liner, of course, and this one I got from Mars, कुछ 99 rupees वैसा में मिला था from Amazon, and the shade is really pretty. In case of lipstick, I'm using the lipstick from the Kiro Beauty. The shade is Nutmeg Nude, and I honestly love this combination of the lip liner and this lipstick. But that's not it, guys. I try another hack. Keep watching what I do with my lips. Okay, so I'm almost done with it, guys, but the last step is going to be highlighter, and this is been one of my most recent favorites, which is the Strong and Glow Liquid Highlighter. I'm going to show you how quickly it works if you are looking for some party appropriate looks or some glam highlighter on your face. Then of course this is for you. Just this much of stroke and it will change the game. Okay, keep watching. I'm just going to do with my fingers. You can just add here a little bit if you want to highlight it for it. that's all about my today's video. I just hope you guys found it helpful. So what matters the most is the proper product that suits your skin, and all of these products are really helpful for me. So that's the reason I give this like flawless and satisfying makeup look for myself, and I'm happy that I found it. That's it. I don't have to explain anymore today. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. And the weather is really pretty. You guys want to see? Let me show you guys. And the weather is really amazing, guys. I'm happy. Okay, so that's all about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and much love from Charchita. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and much love from my side. Bye.